Hello guys, ito po yung herbal natin nakita natin kanina no, pagja-jogging natin sa Makati Park. Yan guys no. Kita ko, kinuha ko na din guys. Ito po yung mga gamot na yung sa kidney problem, kung may kidney problem kayo no, mga skin condition or mga respiratory issues guys no. Ito po yun guys, napakagandang herbal ito. Ito yung tinatawag nila na the sinaw-sinaw plants, also known as pansitan, or in scientific name, Peperomia pilosida, is a small herbaceous plants recognized in traditional Philippines medicine for its purported benefits is treating gout, pain, respiratory issues, kidneys problem, and skin condition. It is characterized by shiny, heart-shaped leaves and can be prepared by boiling it in water to create decoctions or by applying crushed leaves as a poultice to affected area. Yan po mga kapatid, no? Napakaganda siya, no? Yan po ang sinaw-sinaw plants, no? Napakaganda siya. Yan po mga kapatid. Pwede po isala din natin yan, no? Pwede nyo yung makita nyo sino-sino, pwede po gawin din yan salad. Yan po mga kapatid, no? Ang the best, wala pa kayong gastos, no? At napakagaling ito, herbal lang po siya. Yan po guys.